Yes, here we are going to discuss velocity. Now we have already discussed about the speed and velocity. In speed, it is a scalar quantity, whereas velocity is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Okay. Now, simply we can define it is the time rate of change of position in a given direction. Now direction is there. Okay, so simply we can say velocity is the displacement upon time taken. Now the SI unit of velocity is also meter per second. Now velocity is also four types of velocity. वेलोसिटी को हमने वेक्टर क्वांटिटी का मींस जो पोजीशन है, चेंज इन पोजीशन जो है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम है विद ए गिवन डायरेक्शन, तब हम उसको वेलोसिटी के टर्म्स में डिफाइन कर रहे हैं. एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट, टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टोटल टाइम टेकन will be given by the velocity and its SI unit as meter per second. जो स्पीड की है वो उसकी है ना. अब टाइप्स ऑफ वेलोसिटी की हम बात करें तो there are four types of velocity. Uniform velocity, second is non-uniform velocity, third is average velocity, and fourth is instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity. डेफिनेशन को हम देखें तो यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी को वेरिएबल वेलोसिटी भी कह सकते हैं. वी कैन कॉल इट एज अ वेरिएबल वेलोसिटी, एवरेज वेलोसिटी एंड इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी. यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी को हम लेते हैं सबसे पहले. We are going to take it first. Uniform velocity. Uniform simply defined हम कर सकते हैं. It is the velocity in which equal displacement in equal interval of time. That is uniform velocity. Means हम कहें कि 10 मीटर जो है it is covered in 5 seconds. 10 meter is covered in 5 seconds and next 20 meter is covered in 10 seconds. Then it is said to be uniform velocity. Equal displacement in equal interval of time. Okay. Then second is non-uniform velocity. It is velocity in which equal displacement in equal interval of time. Now here we can have equal displacement in unequal interval of time. Or the speed of an object is changing along with डायरेक्शन में भी चेंज आ रहा है तो उस केस में उसको नॉन यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी की कैटेगरी में लेंगे. या इसको इस टाइप से देखें तो 10 मीटर इन 2 सेकेंड से फॉर एन एग्जांपल, and next 10 meter in 3 seconds. So what we are getting a different interval of time for the equal displacement. So we can say it is non-uniform velocity. Okay, then it comes to the average velocity. If we go through the average velocity, okay, we'll go with the average velocity. The average velocity, again, if we go through the average speed, we know the total distance covered in total time. So third is your average velocity. Average velocity, it is said to be, it is the velocity attained by an object in which total displacement in total time taken. कैसे? How? Suppose 10 meter is covered in 5 seconds. Next 10 meter is covered in 3 seconds. तो हम क्या करेंगे? What we have to do? We are going to add these total displacement 10 plus 10 and the total time 5 plus 3. So 20 upon 8 will give the meter per second. This is the average velocity. This is the average velocity we are going to have. Okay, we are not going to do like this 10 upon 5 plus 10 upon 3 and taking its average. This is wrong. Average velocity, which will be given by in this way, average displacement, average total displacement upon total time taken. This will give you the average velocity. Okay, we have got these three velocity. Now instantaneous velocity. To go with the instantaneous velocity, now in instantaneous velocity, simply it is instantaneous velocity. If we go through this at a particular instant of time, at a particular instant of time, the velocity calculated at a particular instant of velocity obtained is known as instantaneous velocity. A particular instant of time, अभी मैं 9th की टर्म में बात करूं क्लास 9 के अकॉर्डिंग, तो यू नीड टू रिमेंबर ओनली instantaneous velocity. In class 11 there is a differentiation and after understanding that part you can easily understand it, but I am writing it here, velocity which we are representing it by a vector sign. This is the initial point and this is the final vector quantity v. We are taking v. Now del x upon del t. Del x is very small displacement. Del x is a very small displacement because we are talking about instantaneous velocity, and similarly at del time a very short time interval or a small time interval. Okay, so del x by del t, and when limit del t tends to 0, it becomes dx by dt. So velocity, instantaneous velocity will be given by dx by dt, differentiation of x with respect to time. This will give you the instantaneous velocity. So In velocity, we are also having four types of velocity: uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, average velocity, and instantaneous velocity. Velocity similar